Well, reports coming in now stating that at least 8 people have been killed after multiple buildings have collapsed after the 6.4 earthquake has struck Taiwan. Now, initially, this was reported as a 6.7. It was fairly shallow. They're saying that over 220 people have been saved by emergency rescue teams that are still continuing to scour through the rubble. You can see here buildings just pancaked and toppled, falling over. There's video clips here that you can watch as well, but I wanted to show some of these images so you could see what all was happening. Look at that building. That building could literally go down at any minute. I wouldn't be surprised if it has since then. It's going to have to come down at some point. Many buildings this happened to in the area damaged. You can see here, buildings left leaning. Like I said, multiple video clips here showing some of the damage. You can see a building completely fell over there and toppled. You can see the beams of another building there, cars smashed. And you can see the buildings here, others just leaning over. So a lot of damage done from this quake. You can see where the epicenter was right there on mainland. Yes, this is an island. And a lot of people were wondering when this hit, is there going to be a tsunami? There was no tsunami that I seen reported with this. If there was any waves or tsunami that was kicked up, it had to have been small because there wasn't any destruction, so to speak, on any of the coastline from a tsunami. But plenty of damage done from a 6.4 earthquake here. I say it all the time. It depends on where the quake hits. If the 6.4 was to hit in California, it would have a different effect just because of the nature of the soil and the ground underneath your feet. It would have a different effect than what you would feel here on the East Coast. So that's an update here from this earthquake. I didn't expect this much damage to come out of the 6.4. Once again, it depends on where it hits. This hit in a very populated area. Hopefully, no more killed in this than the 8 already, but there's people missing, so that number will probably rise. I'll leave a link. Until next time, this has been Dabu7.